When DepEd strengthened its call for evidence-based practice, the school's division of Zamboanga del Norte recognized that low research output was not just a skills issue but a research management gap. Efforts were fragmented, mentoring was limited, and productivity was uneven. To address this, the division institutionalized the Research Productivity Enhancement Program from 2022 to 2025, establishing a structured system for training, mentoring, supervision, and output monitoring. Teachers, supervisors, and ALS educators were strategically included, ensuring inclusivity and sustainability. The impact was clear. From 2022 to 2025, over 200 research outputs were produced, with 2023 as a banner year. Research Productivity Enhancement Program proved that when research is properly managed, productivity becomes consistent and sustainable.